Hi, I'm Kristen and nobody tells me no.
Hi, I'm Annabelle and 2 + 2 is 4.
Hi, I'm Emily and there's vodka in this.
Hi,
Go.
I'm Mimi and I don't give a fuck. Scared me a little bit. Kind of like you've been wanting this.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a vlog about how we're going to Target to get some school supplies and stuff like that. So have the gang with me. Annabelle's in the back.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, I am. Wait.
Hi, everybody.
So we're going to Target to go get some school supplies and so we're going to Target to get some school supplies and little things for back to school because it is coming up. So that's pretty much what we're going to do today. It is my first official vlog. Welcome to this vlog and give this video a like, subscribe right down below, and come along this journey with us. I forgot to mention too, this is Annabelle's first time going to school. I guess that's what you would say. But she's gonna be in kindergarten, so I'm really excited because I feel like if I vlog this, I'll always have this to look back on, and you know, this adventure of her getting her first school supplies and you know, getting her uniforms and all that stuff. We kind of got that stuff already, but we need some basic stuff today, and yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing. We got the whole vlog squad here. Just kidding. And Emily's there in the back, so we're just gonna go to Target. Buckle up, kids. It's dangerous out there. Every time we go to the store, Emily's like, I forgot my debit card, but I really want this shirt. And then we always end up buying it for her. You know? Oh, and Emily is back from Oklahoma, from her sugar daddy's place there in Oklahoma. So she's done visiting her sugar daddy in Oklahoma. So he sent her back. He sent her back, so she decided to come back.
Good job.
So yeah, I will kind of vlog more when we get to Target.
You're saying you're gonna do that thing that Kane and JC do.
I did this one for my teacher.
That one for your teacher?
Yeah.
You're so cute. Let's go. What are you doing today, Anna?
I did it my school supplies.
School supplies. Wowza. Deals on deals on deals.
I did this.
Those? We need to, where's your school supply list? We need to put your school supply, we need to get your school supplies.
Where's my school supplies list?
I'm gonna pull it up right now.
Okay, so we're gonna, I have the school supply list on my phone, but I'm vlogging, so my mom's gonna look that up. But we's here.
Hey, what's first on the list?
We here. I was on the phone when you said it. That's above me now.
It's above me now. Above me now.
Ooh. So we're gonna pick out some school supplies.
A plastic
School box.
A plastic toolbox.
Plastic school box. Let's go find it. Ooh, there's some right there.
Of these.
Some of those.
I did one of these.
There's a pink one.
I did one of these.
Which one's your favorite color? We can look around some more too.
Blue
There's some
is
on the
more
other
my-
side.
Blue is more my type, trying to do the blue one.
Okay.
The one with the shark. Put us.
With the shark?
Yeah.
The one with the shark?
Yes, I do.
You're crazy.
There's this one too. Oh, the butterflies.
No.
There's some clear ones. There's some more over here too. Oh, this one's kind of cool. I like this one. What do you think of that one?
I always checked.
Let me see this.
The shark one. We'll see.
I know, but me and her watch.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. There's this one. This one's so cute.
That's cute.
I need to fit my name in the top.
Oh, there's a Bo Peep.
So sweet.
There's a Toy Story with all characters right there. I got these blue scissors and an LOL pencil pots.
Cute. So what's next on the list, Anna?
There's
6 boxes of crayons.
6 boxes of crayons.
Crowns. Let's get those. Where are they? You have to find them.
6 boxes of crayons? There's a pencil.
Oh, I see them. Okay, 1.
2. Wait.
Whoa.
Open. One. 6. So heavy.
So heavy.
Right here, and I got that one.
Oh my goodness. Have a casualty.
Oh no, it's not open. On the bottom. That's water.
She's holding on with her chin still. Anna, show your mom.
Anna, look at me. The one's under her chin still. What school supplies do you get?
On the list is 1 box of washable markers.
Washable markers.
I think they're right here. Washable markers. Are these it? Oh, wait.
Yeah, I think so. There you go. Do you got money?
Oh, no.
No.
They're these
No?
right here. Washable markers.
Oh, okay. Oh, let me see. Oh, ultra clean washable markers.
Next thing is
In the cart.
bottles of glue.
What?
2 bottles of glue.
Oh,
Right here, Anna.
2 bottles of glue.
Are you going to get cool glue or just regular glue?
2 bottles of glue.
I think there's like cooler glue over here, Anna. Like colored glittery ones.
Wow.
Go back that way.
Oh, and then 2 packages of glue sticks.
Keep going that way.
Those boxes of toothpicks.
There's these
It's like a scavenger hunt.
pink glow in the dark ones.
I'll get 2
Blue.
blue ones. 2 blue ones. But that's what's on the list.
Okay.
I'll
What you're doing?
But they're easier to get right there.
I know. I'm feeling. I'm so glad you're back.
She's so round.
Yeah.
Are these rhineless crackers?
Yes. You should get pretty colors. Those are pretty colors.
Those are pretty colors, actually.
No.
And then
Hold this.
They
No,
usually have
hold
like
this.
the light green and the pink and the yellow and
What are jumbo pencils?
I mean, I know what jumbo is. But jumbo pencils.
Are those like the ones that you sharpen?
See, these are just erasers.
Oh, they're are these are jumbo pencils?
She wants those now.
No,
Those are cute.
I say we just get some of these and some of the mechanical pencils
Well,
too.
what's the difference between the purple
I
and
have
the
no
blue?
clue.
Those say real wood. Real wood is the best, and then smooth line.
Real one is the best. Really?
I'll definitely get this. But that's only a award.
You need a water bottle. Which one do you like? Oh, I already spot a unicorn one. Oh, there's a mermaid one, I think. Or no, that's a thermos. Oh my gosh, there's these, Anna. There's one with a llama on it, unicorns, rainbows, and more unicorns. Where?
There.
Oh, this one?
Yes,
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Okay, look at that one.
Awesome.
And also, this unicorn one is so cute.
No.
This looks so cute. I can just imagine her walking in school. Oh yes, pose girl. Pose. Give me a pose. Oh. Ooh, get it. Ooh, get him. Ooh. Ooh, show me that whoa. Show me the whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. Oh my gosh, this kid.
These are funny.
So cute. So I think we're just about done with all the things that we got or needed on the list. So I'll probably kind of check in back with you guys a little later, and I might do like a little haul of everything that we got so far for school supplies and stuff like that. And she's actually going to private school, so she has to wear uniforms, which I didn't know that until we signed her up for private school. So I will be coming up with a kind of lookbook for her. Oh my gosh. Yes, that is so cute. So I'm going to also include some uniform ideas in case any of you guys have a kiddo in school, like private school or anything, or a school where they require uniforms. So yeah, I have some cute ideas on how to dress up a uniform, so that'll be coming too, but I'll check in with you guys a little bit later. It's the next day, and we went shopping yesterday for all the school supplies, and later I'm going to do like a little bit of a haul kind of thing with it. So just so you guys know, that's coming soon. But right now we pretty much just went to the mall and looked around a little bit, but honestly it wasn't that great. No luck with anything cute or anything like that. I did get a moisturizer and a face mask, so I might show you guys me doing that, trying to get my face in order, because with this summer heat, it's just not liking, my face is not liking it. It's too sweaty, it's too hot, it's too, I don't know. But my face is like kind of breaking out lately, so we're gonna get that in check. So I will probably show you guys us doing face masks, me and my sister. She actually came home like 3 days ago now from Oklahoma, so she was spending the summer there, but now we're getting back into school and everything like that, so she's back, and we had a lot of fun today, just kind of walking around, hanging out. But I will kind of show you our night, and right now I want to show you what we're eating, because my dad made ribs, and he got a new grill. So with his new grill, it is very, like, I don't know, cool, I guess? I don't know. I don't know about grills. Hey, where'd you put the food? Oh, it's over here.
Like it came from like that way?
These look so good. There, oh my god. This looks so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
What did you guys buy, Kristen?
From where? Oh, from the grocery store. We bought like a lot of stuff. We were like supermarket sweep at the grocery store because we were hungry. Oh, Dad! What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you crawling? You're getting ready to crawl?
You don't know why what?
Oh my god. Just one thing, you probably want to wipe the outside. If you're going to have your class, it hurts.
Are you trying to get the camera?
And more people than ever are enjoying romantic getaways.
Crawl. Crawl. Crawl.
That's the camera.
Crawl. You're almost there. Annabelle had blue snow cone, so don't mind her mouth. show her your tongue. Oh my god. You're crazy. So this is her box of school supplies. Oh my gosh, it's falling. So we're gonna unbox her school supplies for you guys and show you all what we got. So she got some new undies. Bah. She got some new undies. She got some socks.
Yeah, so soft. I feel it. So soft.
So soft. And then we got her these socks too for like special outfits because they're little ruffles on them. So super cute. And some no-shows just in case she needs those.
They're flowers, and I also.
Butterflies.
I mean butterflies. I mean butterflies.
They're butterflies. They're so
And
cute.
I also want to show you this. It's a U-turn bow. That's it.
And she got more bows. She has a green shirt this color because she has to wear polo, so we thought this would be super cute. And then she has a shirt this color too. And then she got a few more bows.
I already showed there that one.
Okay, this navy and polka dotted one. She has a white and polka dotted one, and then another purple one with
And
some
I also
unicorn on
want
it.
to show you. I got the LOL pencil case.
Yes, pencil case.
Oh, what do you?
So I think her theme is LOL. So
Oh,
she got glue.
but not that well glue. And I also want to show you my LOL water bottle.
So cute. She got a ton of crayons. So
That's
She
in case
needed-
one of my twins break.
and she picked out her favorite color is blue.
Yes.
So she got blue scissors.
And my tongue is blue.
And her tongue is blue. And she got pencils. They said jumbo pencils, so I just got her like regular. I don't know if these are jumbo pencils. I don't know what that meant. And then mechanical pencils too, just in case. Glue
I
sticks.
just showed them the dry glue. This is the dry pencils.
Dry erase markers.
Dry erase markers.
And she wanted this one because they have cool colors in them.
And it's water tires.
Markers, washable markers.
Washable markers to wash my
Ooh.
hands.
Ziploc bags were on the list.
Just
as
in
well.
case.
And then she got a backpack as well. An LOL backpack.
Ta-da! It's an LOL backpack. And this part is zips. It's a little thingy for my pencils too. I think there's a kind of small one and there's a bigger one up here.
Her LOL lunchbox.
Yeah.
And it has like a little flip. But I will show you guys kind of like a look of her uniforms, how she's going to go to school and all that stuff. And then, of course, we'll vlog the first day of school. So she's acting crazy because she had a snow cone. Summertime is for snow cones. What's your favorite flavor of snow cone?
I forgot what it is.
Blue raspberry.
Blue raspberry.
Oh my
I thought
goodness.
it was blueberry, but it's blue raspberry.
So yeah, that's about it that she got so far. As far as the clothes, I'll show you in a different video or a different vlog. I might show you guys what we're doing tomorrow, just depends. But for the most part, this is kind of like the end of my vlog. Just a quick little school supplies kind of thing, shopping with us and my crazy girls. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later.
Hey, yo.